Okay, this was your assignment that went along with surface area of pyramids. This is the practice page of it, so yours should already be done before you start watching this video. And this should really just be an answer key, but I am going to work it out just to make sure that you guys know how to do this and that you did it correctly to be ready for your upcoming assessment. So 15 by 15, I'm not going to take time to draw the net. Actually, I lied. I will because it says to draw it. So you guys should have drawn the net, and it is a square base because it is a 15 by 15. And then you should have equal triangles coming off of each. I know mine are bad, but that's okay. 15 times 15 is going to be our square. So 15 times 15 is 225. That should have been the center, the base surface area. And then to get a triangle, you do base times height divided by 2. So 15 times 18 divided by 2. 15 times 18 divided by 2 is 135. So each of these should have been 135. I know I'm probably going way too fast, but again, you should have already learned this lesson, and this right now should just be a check on homework. So then we're going to add them all up. 135 times 4 plus our base, which was 225, gives me a grand total of 765 square centimeters. All right, for problem number 2, and you'll need to show probably more work than what I did, but I'm just working it out super fast. Number 2 is a rectangular base. So draw a rectangle. This is an 11 by 15, and then you have 2 equal triangles coming off the top and bottom, and then 2 other equal triangles coming off the sides. So 11 by 15 is our base, and that is 165. And then remember, for triangles, it's base times height divided by 2. So for our 15, it's 15 times 13 divided by 2. So that's 97.5. So these two would be 97.5. And then you've also got the 11 by 14 divided by 2. So 11 times 14 divided by 2 is 77 in these two. So I'm going to add them all up. 165 plus 77 plus 77 plus 97.5 plus 97.5 equals 514 as a grand total. So 514 square yards. All right, number 3. This is one of those difficult ones that's got the triangular base. So when you draw this out, it should have been a triangular base with these taller pyramid triangles coming off of it. This is not a very good net. Hopefully yours is better. So the base of my triangle is a 6 by, the height is 5.2. 6 by 5.2. So I'm going to do 6 times 5.2 divided by 2. So 6 times 5.2 equals, divided by 2 equals, did I do that right? I'm going to click that in again. 6 times 5.2 equals, divided by 2 equals. Okay, maybe I did. 15.6. So this part is 15.6. Now let's look at how the edges are 6 by a height of 10. So for these taller ones, these outside edges, it is 6 by 10. So we're going to do 6 times 10 divided by 2 because they're triangles. So 6 times 10 is 60, divided by 2 is 30. So each of these area is 30, 30, and 30. All right, so then you have to add them all up. 30 times 3 plus our 15.6, grand total of 105.6 square feet. All right, last one, you should be just checking your work, is another square pyramid. So you first should have drawn your net with the triangles coming off of each one. All right, a 7 by 7 is 49. For the triangles, you have a 7 by 8.7 and then divided by 2. So 7 times 8.7 equals, divided by 2, 30.45. So 30.45 30.45, 30.45, 30.45. All right, add them all up. We've got 30.45 times 4 of them, 121.8 plus our 49. So 170.8 should be your feet squared, your total surface area.